Hello guys, yes, this is Henry, the affiliate business master coach. I want to say sorry for doing this video very late. Most of you have been requesting for it, and I made a promise in the last video how to open Clickbank accounts right here in Nigeria, and I made promise there, but due to many activities and my courses, training and other things has really taken away my time, so that is why the video was delayed. So sorry for that, please. I believe you accept my apology. Yeah, thank you for that. So as I said, this video is just to show you how to withdraw your Clickbank affiliate commission right here in Nigeria with Payoneer account. So it's just a 3-step method that you need to follow. You sign up for the Payoneer account, log into your Clickbank account if you have opened it, then you edit your payment details. Bam, that is just all. Very simple. That is just all. So if you have been enjoying this my YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe to the channel to motivate me so that I will do more, and like my videos, share it. Also very important, I will be needing your comments. I want your comments, so you comment down below this video. So as you comment, it will motivate me, and I will know the suitable video or the problem that we need to solve and make cool money, especially on this new era, the internet-based era. So put your comments, your questions, your comments. I will look into it and I will be able to follow it up. So before we dive into this now, so the first thing, you need to sign up for Clickbank account. If you have not done that, I'm going to put a link to the description of this video below, or you get the link at the comment section where a paying comments I'm going to put under this video. So you just click on it and it's going to take you to where you sign up. As you do that, it's just a point of encouragement. Payoneer is going to pay me just a little amount of commission. So guys, your man, you should do it. You sign up with me, also you make me to have commissions, which I know you are making me to be proud. So let us dive into it. Let us sign up. So as soon as you click that point, it's going to take you to this part. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this part. So what you need to do now is either you choose your individual or you choose a company, a name. So I think it's good to go with your individual. So let me type John. So John, let me type Mike as last name, and let me use this email address, Buzwit at gmail.com. So as you re-enter my email, Buzz. That's your email address where they can reach you, please. Tweet at gmail.com. So your date of birth. So your date of birth, just pick anyone that you know that is your date of birth. Pick it and pick anyone. I will look for a suitable one. I've already have an account with them, so this is just a demo. Okay, 1st of January, I think that one is okay. Let me do it. So I'll go next. I'll click on next. So next, this page also will open. So what are you going to do at this point? You put your address. Let me just type in address. Put your code. Nigeria code is 110001. Put your address. This address, put address where they can able to locate you. So mobile phone. Put your mobile phone. Let me see. You say you should remember the mobile phone for verification. So let me try this. My mobile phone. Okay, I've used it before. Let me see. Okay, so next, what you need to do, say enter password. So just enter in a password, your suitable password that you can remember. The password must be small letter, alphabet, one alphabet, Latin words. Getting it? So, okay, let me put alphabets I will remember. A B 1 2 at 3. Okay, fill it again. Use alphabets I will remember. Okay, so it's not in line. Let me see, let me go back. Put alphabet and password that we remember, password that we can get. Okay, so that's your enter password. So let's see this security code. So what is security code? What was the last name of your, okay, so what is the last name? Let me put Lucky. So you don't remember last name. So country, Nigeria. So national ID card. So your national ID card, you pick a number, your national ID I'm going to use. Pick a number in your national ID card. So So enter the below code G92K. So let me see. Go. Wow. Let's see. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. So what you need to fill here? Fill your account details. Fill your account details here. So USD. And you fill the account details. So UBA, account name, account this. Then you check your code. You get your code from here, from your bank. Then click at these two. And you say submit. So as soon as you submit, this will show that they are reviewing your account. So you are under so they will review it. So you can take in the next several business days or to review your account. So when they review your account, this is what you are going to have. The next business day, so your accounts. So you're going to send you a message like this. So they're going to send you a message like this for approval of your account. So when you have done this, so what you need to do is now go to Clickbank. Go to Clickbank and sign in. So you go to your account setting. Go to your account setting. So you go to your account setting. Then under your account setting, you go to payment information. You go to payment information. So under payment information, you click edit. Click edit. So under this edit, this is where you need to edit. You edit this bank. You put United States, bank city, you put New York, payment currency, you put this, bank name, you put this. So the root number, the account number, the root number. So you get all this from as soon your Payoneer account has been approved, you get it. So let me sign in so that you see how you will get it. Let me sign in. Network. So you sign in. After your account has been approved, just sign in your account. Let's see how sign in the account. Let's wait for the internet and see how the account is being signed in. The information we needed. Let's wait for the account. So this is how the dashboard of your Payoneer account will look like. This is how the dashboard of your Payoneer account will look like. Then what you need to do, see this first icon here, global payments service, click on it. So it's going to open. You see all the details, information you needed. All the details, information you needed. Okay, so let's see. So you are using US, so this is your US account. Just look at it here. You click view details, click on this. So you see it now. These are the informations you need. Look at the bank name, look at the routine code, look at the account number, look at the account type, checking, look at the name. So all this, what you can just click and you come to this point in Clickbank, you edit everything here like this. You edit it, the check, the code, the bank name, everything. You edit it in this form, and after you have edited it, you click on save. So you click on save. After you have done that, then your account, you have integrated your Payoneer account to your Clickbank account, and you can easily withdraw money directly to your Clickbank account. So that is all. So don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up and share it also for people so they're able to benefit from it. Also, I'll be waiting for your comments, your testimonies, your sources. So put down the comments. So I'm going to put down the link of you to sign up in the description below, also in the comment pin, the pin comment section. So just click on it and open your Payoneer account also. So next time I'm going to be showing you video how to determine odds affiliate products to promote in Clickbank, and the resources that you need, how to set up everything. So I hope you find this video useful. So thank you for watching.